Welcome to Balcony Garden Web Channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a quick fertilizer to boost the growth of your cucumber plants. Heat-loving cucumber plants thrive once soil temperatures reach at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit, often producing an abundant crop. Slow growth in a cucumber plant usually indicates deficiencies. Try this fertilizer to give your plants a boost. To make this organic fertilizer, start with 10 quarts of water at room temperature and add 1 tablespoon each of sugar and dry yeast. After that, mix it thoroughly. The sugar will activate the yeast and the fermentation process will start. Leave it in a warm, dark place to sit for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, our fertilizer is ready. Remix it and feed your plants. Use about 1 pint of this fertilizer per plant. For larger plants, use 1 quart. It is best to give it after watering your plants because it allows the fertilizer to spread evenly and work better. This fertilizer promotes rooting, so it is recommended to do the first feeding when your plants are still small. The application should be repeated when plants flower. The third application should occur when the fruit appears. It is not recommended to use the mix more than 3 times during the growing season. Besides gaining nutrients, plants benefit from the yeast cells colonizing in the roots, which offer protection from harmful organisms. How are your cucumber plants doing? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.